Hey, so in this video I will show you how to create an invoice in Xero. So there's two ways as usual in Xero to create an invoice. Number one is to go here in the top right and click on the plus and do invoice. Number two is to go here in business and invoices. So I'm going to go into business and invoices. And then here I have new invoice. So I'm going to click on it. And now that it's loaded, here you have all the information you can enter for the invoices. So you can see that by default it's a draft status. I will select customer. So if you look my other video about the contacts, you will see how a contact can become a customer or supplier. Here you have it. The issue date, let's say 20th. In 7 days it's due. That's the invoice number. I can put a reference, which is like a description to find that invoice. The currency, the team, if you have several, and then here in this part, you can create the product. You can add the product, sorry. So here I'm going to select this one. I can change the quantities. It updates automatically, or I can also update here the price. So everything is really changeable, and you can even decide on the tax situations. You can manage your online payment situation if your online payments go through one of the apps connected with Xero. Although they are more integrated solutions, Xero is not really made for payment. It has solution, it's very good up to a point. But if you want more flexibility and automation, there's other tools like Kolleno that can help. And here, after I have different situation, I can save and add another, submit for approval if you set up an approval flow into your Xero, or you can immediately approve. So I'm going to immediately approve. I'm not going to email because it's a demo account and there's no email that would go anyway. So I approve. Perfect. And now you can see the invoice is in the status awaiting payment. Here you can print the invoice as a PDF, or you can preview it. And here you see that's the invoice number we spoke about here. And then under it, you see the reference number, my reference that I wrote, due in 7 days, the total price, tax inclusive, and the product I selected. So that's it. That's just how you create an invoice. There are different things you can do, such as creating recurring invoices. So I will show that in the next video. And that's it.